flow state. People talk about the flow state. I witnessed it.
The flow.
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
You don't know flow state?
No.
John, break it down.
So flow state, premier athletes talk about it when they're training. And
well,
they have
which
a
is
long,
why I've never heard of it.
Yeah. So basically a long endurance event where you just stop thinking about the pain that you're in.
Yeah.
And you hit the flow state.
Oh.
Right. Endorphins are running.
Right.
The goons were in the flow state.
Okay.
Coming into my apartment.
That's interesting. That sounds like there's a reason I haven't heard of it because it sounds more like a runner's thing. That flow state.
Right. Well,
can you get to a flow state just doing bicep curls? Which is all I do.
I won't say you can't. I've heard a lot of like NBA players talk about it. Like I was in the flow state, or
you can be in the flow state during surgery.
Right.
You can be doing doctor things.
Mm-hmm.
Books on it, I think. Yeah, exactly. But so if bicep curls are where you find flow, man.
Yeah.
Jazz age living, old fashioned sipping, pizzazz ain't missing, got the fat cats kissing. Let's bring the old age back. Wake up from his nap, we bringing